experience because of this narrative. Okay, this is throughout the world, lightning strikes are associated with mushrooms formations. The northern plains, First Nations, the white circles around the teepees are puffballs associated with lightning strikes. In Ireland, in Europe, in Mesoamerica, all over the world, in Japan and Russia, lightning is thought to stimulate mushrooms to form. Well, there was a group in Japan that found 50 to 100,000 volts of electricity, 1/10,000,000th of a burst, doubled the production of shiitake mushrooms. So lightning was proven. Electricity pulses stimulate mushrooms. Okay, we carry that forward, and throughout the world, lightning strikes are associated with mushrooms formations.
Look at that nice fruiting body.